Good morning, retro babes. I hope you guys can hear me. Oh my god, I just decided to vlog out of nowhere. I've been trying to vlog for the past week, but I keep running out of space. Y'all, if you really want to support me, please buy from my Etsy shop. I decided to go from the 8x10 prints to the 4x6, so they're cheaper and they're easier for me to ship. I have everything I need to ship and send them out to you guys right away. That'll help me pay for my new camera and for the storage space on my computer, so I don't have to deal with my phone anymore, so I can be more consistent with my vlogs, because it's annoying that I have to keep filming, editing, posting in order to have content when I just want content stored up. I'm eating breakfast right now, but you guys, like, I didn't have food for about 4 weeks. 4 weeks I didn't have food. First of all, I ran out of food because me and my sister share my link, and I think that I'm just gonna have to start buying her essentials, because I've been seeing a nutritionist and she's been telling me that I haven't been eating enough and it's been affecting my performance. Like, I remember last year I had like no energy to record, and I record a video and post it maybe once a month, but I want to be more consistent. I also want to work out, just move my body, just be more active, you know, my new lifestyle. And basically she was telling me I wasn't eating enough, which I wasn't. So I've been training myself to eat more, and because of that I've been using more and more of my food assistance money than I was before. It just makes me excited because now I feel energy, I feel energized, I have my link restored, I have food in the fridge today. Making my veggie burger with my Hawaiian bun. I think I really want to send out like thank you cards to the loyal people who bought from Pretty Veronica clothing, because there's people that have been with me since I first made the brand, and I have changed my site so many times. I have went through so many changes. I've closed and opened the shop, and I used to think that was weird that I failed so much, but honestly it's normal for a small business to be like that. It takes a while for some small businesses to get steady, especially when you don't know what the frick you're doing and you're doing everything yourself. The planning, the launches, the marketing, everything by myself. It's just me, plus social media on here with you guys, you retro babes. I give myself more grace with that, and I just want to show gratitude to the people who have been there with me since the beginning.
On the back of it and the cape, I can like wrap around my neck.
Yo, look at my hair. This is what my hair has been doing lately. It's only been a week. I've been trying to stick to a 5-day wash schedule. I used to wash my hair every 2 weeks and it was a bitch to detangle. And then I used to wash it every week. But then I was like, I want to wash it when it starts to get itchy and it starts to need moisture, aka now. Like, honestly, the curls still aren't that bad because when I wash my hair, I keep it in the style before I take it out for like 2 days. So like if I do a braid out, I'll keep it in braid out for 2 days because that's how long it takes my hair to dry. But yeah, the color is kind of fading, so I want to take better care of my hair. My hair's not bad for being colored, like you can still see there's curls and stuff, but I've noticed like in the past I would have breakage. Like you can see it's growing back, but I had like really bad breakage at the roots. I want to try instilling more moisture into my hair and a protein treatment. Here's my hair plan. I want to do a mask today to clarify it because my scalp's been itching and I don't know why. I'm thinking it's product buildup that I haven't been able to get to, and that'll help my curls pop. But I also want to do a protein treatment today too. I don't know why I want to do 2 treatments today, but I just feel like get them out the way. And then next week I want to do a moisture treatment. As someone who will have disposable income but it's just not in the account yet, I've been looking at ways to do deep conditioners using food, so I can use my food assistance to do that. So I found 2 recipes, one for protein, one for moisture. So every other week I want to do a deep condition to protein my hair and deep condition of moisture. Apple cider vinegar bentonite clay mask I'm gonna do today is going to help take out some of this color, because I do eventually want to dye my hair, and that shit strips all the color out of your hair. And then I want to add protein in it just so it's stronger, because the next time I do my hair I will be bleaching the roots, but sometimes when you bleach the roots it can get to the ends. I kind of love this dark root red end hair. I really do love it. I think it looks great on me. However, my sister got me this hair. I got a comment on my YouTube about my sapphire blue wig. I did not know you guys still love my hair dyeing videos. I look so crazy right now. Those are the videos that actually help my channel blow up, but I told you guys I wanted to express different avenues. Like I wanted to vlog and I wanted to do movie analysis reviews. But it's so crazy because the moment someone said please do more hair dye videos, my sister sent me this. So I want to do this. I think I want to dye it this red so I can keep the dark root red ends and then just make it into a wig. If you guys want to see that, I'll do that. I also made these clip-ins for her. I should have filmed making the clip-ins. That was a missed opportunity now that I think about it. I used to make clip-ins all the time when I was in high school because I wanted longer hair and my mom wouldn't get us sew-ins. I remember I bought these stringy, really straight white people clip-ins from the store when my dad took us to the mall. For some reason they were on sale. They were like $70, but they were on sale for 20 bucks, and he would only give us 20 bucks to go to the mall. And ever since then I was obsessed with clip-ins, and I would clip like blue clips in my hair. So I went to a Lutheran school. If they clocked like the color hair, I would just take the clip-in out to avoid detention. I made these clip-ins. Yes, I don't sew, but I sew clip-ins. I'm kind of upset I didn't share how to do it. I might use her other bundle to show you guys how to make your own set of clip-ins. I did like 2 bundles, so these have like 3, and then I have some 2 clips, I have some single clips, and I have a 4 clip somewhere. If I go down to the road, I will see you there. Are you on it? Do you promise you are true?
And just do like so many accessories, and then I'm getting my hair done later today.
I want to be a fashion girly again. I miss being a fashion girly so bad. It's like a place in my heart. There's a hole in my heart. I've had this cart on Shein for the longest time, and I've just been, you know, trying to hustle. Trying to hustle so I could get that Shein cart, okay? Because I want to be a fashion girly again. I love it. I love it. There's one thing I could do the rest of my life and not get paid for. I could receive some free clothing now, but not get paid for it, is to be a fashion girly. Like when I was younger, I would have people ask me to style them. Like I am the beauty fashion girl. I'm the hair, the makeup, the style coordinator, interior decorator person, and I miss being fashionable. And I feel like not like the trend's gone now, so I'm always late to trends, but this is why, because it takes me forever to even get to the trend. I'm gonna show y'all my Shein cart. Y'all, I've had that Shein cart since October last year. I don't think these things are out of style, but like I can always feel when trends are changing, and I can feel there's gonna be a huge shift. Sometimes there's minor shifts in trends, but I could feel there's gonna be a huge shift. For a long time I wanted to be a fashion YouTuber to keep up with trends and stuff, but that's not my ministry anymore. But I do want to make fashion content. I miss being on Instagram. I used to have an Instagram where I was that fashion girl. I mean, I had the Instagram fashion girl's dream. Like I didn't have the followers, but I was getting reposted. People loved what I was doing. I was doing style videos, everything. And that's what eventually led me to TikTok. But I want to do fashion videos again. I miss being on Instagram, but I want to have like some substance to my Instagram. I've had like dump Instagrams where I would like dump photos and stuff like that, but I want to take pictures and go outside. And that's why I like watching Talitha Jane, because she reminds me to go outside and take some pictures. Put that shit on. She really reminds me to put that shit on. So if you want to support my fashion girly activities, my hair makeup activities, actually just this channel, like I said, y'all, link below. Order some of those prints, order some of the stickers, keep up with me. You guys can always donate to me if you feel like it. I want to have a Patreon, but I don't know what I would actually put on there. So if I do have a Patreon, I actually do have one, but if I do open up my Patreon to you guys, what would you guys like to see on there? Let me know so we can get this going. Look at my curls. This is the best they've ever looked. No product, just rinsed out the egg. I'm tired, y'all. The egg, mayo, and olive oil mask. I'm so excited for my new hair routine. Oh my god, I know it's dark, y'all. I was supposed to film an album haul today, but I don't have the energy. I don't have the energy or the willpower. I feel like my period may be coming on, or I just need some space and time to myself. Last week, I went to a funeral for my family, and like, I just feel like all the drama that I left is coming back, and it's like, I'm not trying to have it fuck with my mental, but it kind of is, because I really just want to move on. All I've ever wanted to do with my family is move on, and it just feels like nobody's letting me. And I also hate the fact that in my family, anytime that I have any negative reaction, oh, I'm blowing up, oh, I'm blowing up, oh, I'm going crazy, whatever. It'll either be that, or it will be like, she deals with things her own way. We're just gonna leave her alone and let her deal with it. And it's like, so which is it? Is it that I blow up, or I have to be pushed and let things deal with things on my own? I don't really talk about my family on here, but this is why I distance myself from my family, because like, number one, I feel like people from your past will only see you a certain way, and I am not going out my way anymore. I will let them. But also, it's really sad though, because like, if you just took a second to listen and understand, maybe we could have a better understanding. And not only listen, I feel like the form of an apology is, some people I just need a sorry from, because they know they did me wrong. I know they did me wrong, and I feel like they're going a roundabout way of not apologizing. But some people, an apology is words, explanation, and action. I need all three. And from people that I'm not going to get that from, I'm just going to move on. I will accept that you are not good for me and move on. And whenever I get encountered by these energies, I try so hard, because I'm manifesting, not to spiral. And it's hard not to spiral, because I just want to be the great person I know I can be. And whenever I'm encountered by energies that I do not want, it reminds me of how low they think of me, and how my life right now is reflecting that. But in my head, it's not. But like, on the outside looking in, it is. And I used to care so much about defending and proving and figuring out a way to show that I'm just a great person. Like, why is everybody thinking this way? But like, I'm done. I'm just so done. I'm ready for new. I am ready to start it over, start from scratch. I think that's what's frustrating me right now. If you guys haven't checked out my blog, please check out my blog. It's a very good way that I release my thoughts, and I feel like it can be helpful for any person going through like just the changes in your 20s and your early 30s. But like, in my blog, I was talking about how leaving everybody in the past and stepping into the unknown, and how weird that can be, and starting over from scratch, and how awkward that is. And it's not a linear path. It's literally every day you don't know what's going to happen. You don't know what's going to happen. You have to actively remind yourself why you're doing something you're doing. That's why all these self-help books will tell you to remember your why. Because if you don't remember your why, you will get sucked back into the BS. And I refuse to be sucked back into the BS. I don't care what it has to take, but I am not living this life anymore. I do not want to do it. In my blog, I was talking about how Jim Carrey was saying depression is caused by you not wanting to play that character anymore. And I'm gonna tell you what I don't want to play anymore. I don't want to play the victim. I don't want to play the people pleaser. I don't want to play the person who's just like wanting people to understand her. I don't care anymore whether you understand me or don't, because you're gonna have your opinion either way. Why would I go out my way? I've done it for way too many years, begging for people just to see my point of view, and I'm not doing it anymore. And I don't care to pour my energy into people that do not pour back into me. I feel like it should be reciprocal. I used to be the person that I would see the good in everybody. I would pour into everybody. I would be the person that everybody would always call, like when they not necessarily needed something monetarily, but when they need good energy. Like, I get the comments on social media all the time, oh, you have good energy. It's real. Every time I meet somebody new, oh, you have good energy. It's real, because I do. And I feel like some people just take advantage of it and don't pour back into it. They just take and take and take, and that leaves you depleted. And I have no interest or energy into pouring back into it, because look now, I done been drained by my family for the past week that I don't even have any energy to film today. So I didn't want this, what I'm doing right here, this vlog, I didn't want this vlog to go up today when you guys are seeing it, but it's gonna have to, because I'm not gonna let how I feel stop me from my goal. And I'm gonna post every week. I'm going to grow my audience and I'm going to connect, and I want to start from scratch. I want, in a sense, my soul family, my chosen family. I want new friends. I want to have a good life doing what I want to do. I'm sick of being surrounded by people telling me that I can't do what I want to do. It's weird how when you're a kid, people always tell you like, you can do anything. You can do anything you put your mind to. But then when I put my mind to it, I'm told I can't. Learning how to reparent yourself is truly just giving you the validation that you should have gotten from the parental figures, whoever they may be in your life. The love and the care. And for me, like I told you guys before, it started with loving food, cooking for myself, loving my body no matter what, no matter how I feel that day, telling myself I did a good job, reviewing my day and telling myself how I did better than the day before. It's not just treating yourself, but definitely, yes, treating yourself, but it's really just, you have to validate and pour into yourself, because if you're going to rely on someone else to do it, that's the one thing I learned. Like, I can't rely on anyone else to do it. If I relied on people to see me for the greatness I am, I would never be the greatness I am. And I'm not even the greatness yet. I am great. Okay, right now I am great. But where I see myself, if I even said it out loud, I don't care how much someone believes in me, they would have a sliver of doubt. And I don't need that. So I'm gonna hold my dream close, believe in myself. And every time I feel like this where I spiral, I have to pour into myself so hard to get out of it that I feel this boost of energy. And I know for a fact that no matter what it looks like right now, I can't go backwards. No matter what you're going through, pick your head up, pick your chest up, you